Just like some other big changes we have going on here, the US will soon be home to the world's first 3D printed hotel. It'll be a 62-acre desert oasis located in Marfa, Texas. I hope I'm saying that right. And these bungalows, maybe is the right word. These 3D printed things look sweet. We've seen other 3D printed homes. I've watched many 3D printed videos, but this place looks pretty sick. Now, the concrete construction mix unit here they got going on to make these is pretty cool. These little huts look kind of nice. I don't know how I would feel about going to a hotel like this. Now, that said, it would be kind of fun to 62 acres. You could maybe rent out with a bunch of friends and go for a weekend or something. maybe there's too many for that, but for the time being, El Cosmico is, I hope I said that right, is only 21 acres, but the 3D printed expansion will nearly triple that area, transforming it into 62-acre desert oasis with all the necessary elements that make a summer vacation enjoyable and restful. There is a massive infinity pool kitted with cabanas and captivating guest dwellings, and they look sick. I mean, they're just little circular home things, it looks like. Um, Pretty basic 3D printing for one of these devices, but nonetheless, I mean, you're going to bring people in just because it's 3D printing, which is sick and awesome to see. And nice job, middle US place of places. And with that, that is it for topics here. The last one was just kind of a cool one. I didn't really need to talk about that one very much. I just thought it was cool and was like, we'll throw her in there.